Hi. So we have been hearing iPhone users complain about the screen flickering problem, which is basically when the screen of the iPhone keeps flickering and cannot be used in some extreme cases. Now the problem can be caused by either software or hardware issues, but if it is former, you can get it fixed easily at your home without any equipment but your computer with our iOS repairing tool, Share Ultra Fix. And this video is going to show you how to do it. I'll put the link in the description down below so that you can download the program. This is the problematic phone. And what we need to do first is to open Share Ultra Fix and connect the phone with the computer. The program will recognize the phone and you can click the Enter Recovery Mode button and to put it into the recovery mode with one click. And this is free. You don't have to pay for it to put your iPhone into the recovery mode. You can do it in the free trial version. Now press the Start button, and here are two modes on the screen. Select the standard mode to repair your iPhone without any data loss. As for the advanced mode, it is designed to tackle more severe problems or just unlock your phone when you forget about its passcode. Then you will see some basic info, nothing private, some basic info display on the screen, and you need to confirm whether it matches your phone. If not, correct them in the drop-down menu, because we need to download the correct firmware package based on the info you provide. After that, press the download button to download the firmware package. Now when the package is downloaded, press the repair button to let the program repair your iPhone, and it should be finishing in a couple of minutes. Okay, now the repairing process is finished and your iPhone is good to go and its screen should resume to normal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.